Here I have VIVO Y200, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings. You just have to go to Files application. Here you can transfer like downloads, images, videos, audios, documents and apps. So if you want to transfer like some images, you have to hold down your finger on any image you want to transfer, and then it gets selected. If you want to select more items, you just tap on them once. Then just tap on three buttons here, select if you want to move these images or if you want to copy them. So let's copy. Then select where to, in our case to SD card. Select any folder you like. Could be pictures for me, tap copy here. And now you will have these images on your SD card. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.